Hey everyone, this is Sean, your friendly neighborhood Airbnb millionaire. I'm going to teach you today, if you want to have massive success on the Airbnb platform, that doesn't mean 1, 2, 3 Airbnb properties. If you want to be picking up 5, 10 at a time, you want to be like me and have 100 Airbnb properties and making a few $1,000,000 a year, let's start here. Walk with me. Talk with me. I'm going to show you my newest building. I'm going to unload some huge advice that nobody else in the industry can give you because nobody else in the industry is doing it like this. Let's take a look at my newest property or series of properties here at this building called the Civic in Philadelphia, and let me show you what's up.
Hi.
All right, welcome back Airbnb family. So a lot of you who've seen my last couple of videos recognize this canopy bed. So tip number 1. If you're going to do a business deal like this, you want to negotiate in bulk. The more you say you're going to pick up, the more power you have in the negotiations. I negotiated 10 units at this building with an option of 10 more, right? So I'm dangling a carrot of 20 doors, which means I got a $700 security deposit per door, no first month's rent, no last month's rent. I got in for $700 each, and I don't even pay rent for the first 4 weeks. That's huge because I came in and said I'm going to do big things. Second tip. You may notice that I've been in this room a lot. That's because I'm staying here. So what you're going to do is pick up a property like this, furnish it or pseudo furnish it. A lot of times I don't even get it done, but get a mattress in there and you're going to live in your property. If you want to do big things, you've got to do what it takes, and sometimes what it takes is a lot. So next tip for you, because we're doing this fast, you want to get your Airbnb doors next to each other. See, that's the one I'm staying in, but this is one we're setting up right now. How cool is this, right? So this is some furniture that got in today. Let me just show you. We're currently unboxing everything. We're doing a lot of unboxing right now, but let's keep walking. So what did we tell you already? So you're going to negotiate your deals big, right? You're going to move in. You're going to live there because your commute to work is 10 feet, right? Here's the next one. Oh, look. Wait, hold on. 1 door, 2 door, 3 door, right? And if you notice, we're in the same phase. This is the same couch. This is all the other stuff that we're setting up. And we actually have one upstairs here too. Now the reason why we set up multiple units next door to each other, next step, is this helps us control crosstalk, right? So this hallway, see, oh, here's another one. Haha! So here's another one that we're setting up. Now, this controls crosstalk. So if you have a bunch of guests coming into a property and they all go to your corner of a hallway, it's not gonna be a big deal. There's gonna be Airbnb guests who are gonna be a little bit too loud, and they'll just kind of mess with your Airbnb guests. If the guests upstairs are walking on the ceiling, this person will complain about it, but this person's an Airbnb guest. You don't have people running to management complaining about your Airbnb guests. Make sense? Okay, so you're gonna set up your listings in bulk, you're gonna live there, get a sick deal, move in, so that way you can spend 14 hours a day moving furniture and unboxing furniture, and then make sure all of your doors are next door to each other, because if you do it like that, then when you do have your guests, they're not going to cause a problem with their neighbors because their neighbors are all Airbnb guests. Really cool, right? So there's a lot more on this channel, tons more on this channel, like how to negotiate with landlords, what to buy, in what ways to buy. We ordered all this stuff a week before our lease started because it takes time to get in. All this stuff doesn't just magically show up day of lease. Doesn't. No, there's a process. So we cover a lot of this. We have a free YouTube course on this channel. Let me link it, and it's in the description. It's about 74 videos, pretty much everything that I've done for a couple of years to build this business. So take it from me. This is not hard. It's a lot of work. It's a grind. It is definitely not passive right away, but neither is traditional real estate either. Don't let anybody fool you into thinking that becoming a landlord is passive by any means. You still just have to set up systems in place to make your income passive, and just in regular landlording, I guess that's more like believable, but stick with this channel. We'll teach you how to build it all the way up. That way you can live the life you want to live. For all of you who've been following, thank you for following. Remember to like this video, subscribe for more content. There's tons more to come. And again, thank you for watching Airbnb Automated, and I'll see you on the other side.